Hello there. So today we're going to see how to set up the MI 1080p basic camera. Welcome back. Let's get straight to the setup. To set this camera up, place this camera upright on the table and connect the micro USB to the camera and the USB side to the wall adapter or power bank. You'll see an orange light flashing, which means the device is activated. If you do not see a flashing light, press and hold the reset button to restart the device to enter the pairing mode. Insert the micro SD card in the card slot provided. Now download the MI Home app from the App Store and tap the plus sign to add a device and just follow the prompts on the screen. From the app, choose the type of camera that you're trying to connect, and in the initial phase it will greet you with a voice command, something similar to this.
Waiting for connection.
Then the app will ask you for a couple of permissions, like the location settings to be put to on and to connect to the router settings. Next up, there will be a QR code that appears on your screen. Show the QR code that appears on your mobile to the camera and it will complete the remaining steps and will tell you that it's set up and ready to record. Next up, it gives you an option asking you which room you're trying to set this up for. Choose one from the list. Then it gives you an option to name the camera. You can name it anything you would like. That's it, your MI camera is all set up. Just hit agree to the terms and conditions and you're all done. Now you have three video qualities to choose from: low, HD and auto. When you choose auto, it switches between standard definition and high definition. Then you have the sleep function. If you want the camera to sleep, you could also set a time for it so that it sleeps and wakes up at a particular time. Then you have this mute button, mute on and off. Then there's a snip function which lets you take a snapshot of the screen. And then you have a record function which is over and above the record function that your device has. That is on any particular footage at that very moment. If you want to record that, you can go ahead and use this function. It records and saves that recording onto your phone memory. Now, if I go to camera settings, you have the status light, which I can choose to turn on or off. Sleep functions, I've already told you about. Rotate is to rotate the image. Night vision is you should set it to automatic. Whenever the light is less, it automatically changes to infrared mode, where you can see much more clear in the dark. Album is where all your footage, that is your screenshots and videos that you've recorded, is saved. And shared devices is where it shows all the people in the family or whoever you've given access to these cameras. They're listed here. Firmware updates, to see if you have the latest updates for your device, that's where you go to. Additional settings. Password can also be set up for this device in case you want to set up a password for this device as a security feature. Network, of course, is your network information. And then coming back to playback. Now playback lets you view all the past footages that this camera has recorded from time to time. It also has a talkback feature, which is this phone icon, which you can use to communicate through this device, which is a good feature to have. And it also has a grid option if you have more than one camera to be listed all at once, and you can see all of them simultaneously at the same time. So that's all about all the features, all the main features of this camera, MI 1080p basic camera. I think I've covered all the important features, and that's how you set it up. Now, just to make this a little interesting for the viewers, you're going to see some sample recordings in the night and day mode. All you have to do is guess the pictures or wordings under the pictures that you see, and let me know in the comments how many of you were actually able to see in the dark. Alright, thanks for watching.
Hey, hope you like my small video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay blessed, stay happy. This is SD signing off. Have a super day.